Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. I got that out of order again. This is Mr. P. Today we're going to be doing our guided notes for section 12.1 for secondary math 2, sample spaces and probability. So a probability experiment is an action or trial that has varying results. Outcomes, the possible results of a probability experiment. So for example, if you roll a die, the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if it's a six-sided die. An event is a collection of one or more outcomes. Sample space is a set of all possible outcomes. And a subset is if every element is a set of A is also a set of B, then set A is a subset of set B. That is to say, in a Venn diagram, if this is set B and this is set A, see all the elements of set A are elements of set B, so set A is a subset of set B. Let's see here. Complement all elements in the sample space that are not in the event. The complement of an event A is denoted as AC. We'll talk more about that in a minute. Union is all the elements that belong to one or both sets. The union of events, event A and event B is denoted as AUB. Remember that union? It's coming back. And intersection, the elements that are common to both sets. The intersection of event A and event B is A intersect B. With that U turned over for union to look like N for intersect. So let's read a Venn diagram. The Venn diagram is an answer to the following questions. So there's a dog owner, a cat owner. So what is the sample space? Well, it looks like, and we usually put these in curly brackets, you're a dog owner, you're a cat owner, you own both, or own neither. Okay, those are really the only four options you've got. So DUC, that is, so I guess we're going to abbreviate this. That's dog owner, cat owner, both, or neither. So D union C, that is the dog owners and the cat owner, like the dog owners and the cat owners put together. So if you're a dog owner or a cat owner, then there are 57 people who just own dogs, plus 25 people who just own cats, plus 36 of people who own both, or families, or whoever it is that we're surveying here. And 57 plus 25 plus 36 is 118. There are 118 persons who own a dog, a cat, or either. D intersect C, that's the number of people who own a dog and a cat, which is this middle section here, where it's 36. 36 people own a dog and a cat. And D to the power of C, that's not dog owners to the power of cat owners, which is difficult for me to figure out. That's the complement of the dog owners. That is, how many people are everybody who doesn't own a dog? Well, you can think of it as either 25 plus 92, and 25 plus 92 is 117. Or you could think of it as the whole sample space, which was 92 plus 57 plus 36 plus 25 people. There were 210 people that we talked to. And if we take away all the people who owned just a dog and all the people who owned a cat and a dog, you would still get 117 people. So creating a Venn diagram, use the letters in the following word: hop and plug. Event A is hop, event B is plug. Oh, I see. So we're going to go ahead and make two Venn diagrams, so two circles with an intersection, and their letters. So this one over here is hop, which means that that's got H and O, and P is shared between them, and plug has P L, U, and G. There's my Venn diagram. These are the letters in hop, these are the letters in plug, and they share one of those. What is the sample space? Well, I suppose the sample space is H, O, P, L, U, G. Event A is a subset of all the letters. What letters are in this subset? Event A is a subset of all the letters. Well, what letters are in that subset? That's a strange question. That would be H, O, and P, right? Because if you could imagine a Venn diagram with all the letters, there would be a proper subset where the letters in hop are in it, which is what event A was. And this would have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, not H, because H is part of this proper subset, but H still exists in all letters, I, J, blah, and so on. A union B, so that would be the letters that are in hop and plug. So in that case, that would be H, O, P, L, U, G. A intersect B, so hop intersect plug, would just be the letter P. And the complement of A would be all the letters that are not in hop, and that would be L, U, G. So let's talk about probability. The probability of an event is a measure of the likelihood or chance that it will occur. The theoretical probability is the number of favorable outcomes, and favorable, I prefer the word targeted, because sometimes we're trying to take the probability of an event that we do not want to occur. So I would certainly not want to think of the probability of getting your foot run over by a stampeding horde of bison as a favorable event. And the probability is a number from 0 to 1 and can be expressed as a decimal fraction or percent. And things that are impossible have a probability of 0 or 0%. Unlikely is a fourth. 0.25, 25%. Equally likely or to happen or not happen is a half. 0.5, 50%. Likely is 3/4. 0.75, 75%. Certain is 1, 1, 100%.